Hello. Yeah. In order to prevent myself from taking interest, why don't I invest in a current account that does not involve any interest? So how is that different from an Islamic account?
But that's posed the question that what is the difference between the current account of a modern bank and a current account of an Islamic bank? You can't invest your money in current account because current account does not have any returns. You can keep your money in current account for safekeeping. There's no problem. Islamically wise, if you keep your money in the current account of a modern bank, directly it is not prohibited since it does not deal with interest. But logically, I can give you several reasons why keeping your money in the current account of Islamic bank is more beneficial than a current account of a modern bank. Firstly, though there is no returns in the current account of a modern bank or Islamic bank, there is no returns, no profit, no interest involved, but still, the money that you keep in the modern bank can be utilized for projects which are harmful for society. For example, making gambling dens, or making alcohol factories, all such projects. So in short, you are helping the bank to make the society more bad. If you keep your money in the Islamic current account of Islamic bank, not a single project will be financed which is harmful to the society. All the projects that they finance are permitted by the Sharia. So Muslim will be satisfied. But non-Muslim, he is not bothered with society. He is saying, I care a hand to the society that goes to the dog. I am only bothered about the safety of my money. So what's the difference? Keeping the money in an Islamic bank and a modern bank. Just in case, if you keep your money in a modern bank, and if the bank goes bankrupt, according to the laws of the modern bank, the creditors of the bank get their money first. The depositors get later on. By the time the creditors are paid whatever is due to them, the money is exhausted. So if you keep your money in a modern bank, and if the bank goes bankrupt, there are high chances you will not get your money back. But if you keep your money in an Islamic bank, according to the Islamic Sharia law, the depositors get their money first. So if you keep your money in an Islamic bank, and even if God forbid that bank goes bankrupt, you will get your money back. Hope that answers the question. So even economically wise, keeping in the current account of Islamic bank is more safer as compared to keeping in the current account of modern bank. Hope that answers the question.